Abstract Boss. So, guess what? I got my first package. That's super unexpected. I was not expecting this. So, Casey McGovern, thank you. I'm so excited. I don't know what's in here. You guys can see I have not opened it yet. Has my business address on it, and if you're following my Instagram, you heard a funny story about my business address. Yeah. Apparently, I signed up for a digital mailbox, not a physical mailbox. So everything that I receive, it's supposed to just be mail, no boxes. And it's supposed to be opened by them, and they'll just scan and upload to me. Which, I mean, it's kind of cool and convenient, but what about my boxes? So I asked her, I said, hey, I live 3 minutes down the road, like, can I please just come pick up my package? And she says, no, I can ship it to you. And I says, no, because that seems ridiculous. So she said, well, this one time I'll make an exception, but you must have read the terms and conditions wrong. I said, well, I must have, so I'm sorry, but thank you. And I said, I'll change that. And I don't know if I want to continue that service now, but we'll see, because they already increased the price on me and I hadn't even used it. So, yeah, that's a whole nother story. But I guess I need something to open this box with now. I don't think my nails, you know what? Maybe my nails will work through this. Ugh, nope, there's like 3 layers of tape on this one. I need a knife. Knife. Be safe. So, this one says it is Casey McGovern and resinartshop.com. Okay. It says Abstract Boss. I'm so excited. Let's open the letter. Let's see what the letter says. I might have to scan it just in case first. Okay. Handwritten. Whoa. That is freaking amazing. Someone took the time to handwrite a letter to me. Oh my God. That is like the coolest thing ever. Okay. Okay. All of us here at resinartshop.com truly enjoy the work you're doing, and after chatting with you about the 100% silk scarves and sarongs we create for artists, we have decided to support you with your artwork. Ah, that's so cool! Freaking cool. Okay. Also, please find enclosed a nice variety of Patty's pigments. More pigments! Yay! Our own line of beautiful pigments. Like, you guys are the coolest. This is amazing. Then this is like the first box I get for like doing all this. I'm mind blown. Okay. I wish someone was here at my house so I could like scream and yell at them. So you guys have to deal with it. I'm so excited! Oh, okay. Let's see. Ooh, this one's specifically for you guys. Okay, we have created a coupon code that can be used by your subscribers. Ah, you guys, you get a coupon code. Please note that these discounts and purchases also apply to any scarves. Ooh, okay. So this is just amazing. I'm excited. So let's call us anytime you need something. Our company is here to assist you any way we can. Okay. resinartshop.com, you guys. I'm excited. All right. Their packaging is very nice. Look at this. Oh. Whoa. The fabric is so nice, too. Oh, my gosh. You guys, I wish you can, like, feel this. What? This is so cool. Oh, this one's a square, not a rectangle. Okay. But can you see that? You see my face through it? Oh my gosh, this is cool. Are these their pigment? These are huge. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. That is the coolest thing. I love that. And you know what I think is so cool? And it comes with a spoon. I don't know why that's so awesome to me. But legit, you guys, this is like the coolest thing ever. And I am so excited. Oh my God. Wow. Ooh. I'm gonna have to make a geode immediately with these. Oh my gosh. And I seriously needed to buy more pigments recently too. I was about to, and now this came in. So I'm like in heaven. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Ah! My head got lost in there, I'm sorry. This actually is really exciting. Okay. Ooh. Now I'm just trying to not sweat while I'm going through all these and opening them up. Not because I don't ever work out. I mean, I don't, but just because it's really hot in my house. Ooh, this one's gotta be my favorite. Crystal Sapphire. I'm trying to like look to see if you guys can see that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is like a set. This is cool. So I actually was looking for something like this. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys this. I'm trying to cut through it. The tape is really well packaged. So it's a primary color set. Why would that matter? Because you can make any color with primary colors and then black and white to darken it. So that is, oh my gosh, that's so freaking perfect. Seriously, I think, honestly, Resin Art Shop, this one might be my favorite because this will allow me to make whatever pigments I want. And I might even do a video specifically on that too, because that is amazing. Look how beautiful these are. These are so beautiful, so freaking beautiful. And that's like, oh my gosh. And this is so beautiful. Look at those colors. And then look at that. It's a little bit more transparent, but it's soft, so freaking soft.
I feel like I'd probably be a baby that wants to sleep with this every single night because it's so freaking soft.
The silky smooth. I love the silky smooth. So, resinartshop.com. resinartshop.com. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, you guys just made my entire friggin' year. Like, this is so cool. Getting a package that is so unexpected. Like, I just thought you were gonna send me some info for like how to print my stuff on scarves, and this was just wow. All right, I definitely have to do a project with their stuff now. This is cool. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to open your stuff on video, just send it to my address below. It'd be freaking awesome. I'm gonna have to update my service apparently, change it to a box service, not just online service. So good to know. But yeah, I need to clean up now because now I have a lot of bubble wrap. I hope you guys have a great day, great weekend. It's almost the weekend, yay! And I will see you guys soon. We're gonna finish the elephant.